Thinking about starting your business but do not know what is the first step. If you are one of those who are optimistic, willing to start their online business, this video is for you. Watch till the end. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the tool which only allows you to conceive and conceptualize the work you want to do online, and will take care of all the processes, starting from building a website using AI Builder, enabling all the features of a robust website under one roof, under one place, and then leave alone the hassle of generating leads, creating workflow, automating your processes, scheduling the appointments, booking, confirming the orders, then of course calling clients on your behalf, generating leads, and what may not. GoHighLevel is one amazing tool everybody should use. If you are a solo freelancer or you are a startup agency, if you can leverage all the tools available under one roof which GoHighLevel provides, I can assure you not only you streamline your processes, but it also increases your efficiency. Generating workflows, then of course automating your businesses. Creating leads is the number one problem every business goes through, because leads is everything. Leads is sales, leads is growth, leads is expansion. And without a reliable partner, this is a far cry. GoHighLevel takes care of this problem. Blessed Friday, just around the corner. Some countries call it Black Friday, some countries call it Blessed Friday. If you can sign up using the link given in the description of the video, I can assure you this would be probably one of the wisest and the best decision you would have ever taken in your life about starting a business. Rest assured, the future is all yours. It is not only one of the wisest decisions when it comes to starting your business, but also automating the workflows, creating them, the workflows, and automating your processes, increasing your efficiency, and most importantly, you'll be able to generate tons of leads that would help you grow. This is for the freelancers, but when it comes to agency owners, imagine you have a lot of clients, blessed with abundance of different clients. It is very difficult to manage all those clients separately. GoHighLevel provides you a facility to gather all your clients, look after their businesses under one roof. So for all those aspiring agencies who want to further grow their clientele and expand their business, GoHighLevel is your go-to resource. Sign up today and avail amazing discounts of Blessed Friday, Black Friday, whatever you want to call it. This tool is going to help you go places in life. This is your moment to answer the call of expansion. Looking forward to see you on the other side of the line. That is growth and expansion. Lots of leads and automating your workflows. GoHighLevel.com.